I don't even know where to go. Following Rob. It's gonna be muddy!
It's gonna be very muddy.
Mate, it's gonna be ridiculous. Is this the start then?
Yeah.
Surely.
Oh, you got waterproof on, that was a good shout.
It was a good shout, yeah. I always come prepared.
Alright guys, I'll take you nice and clean. About 3 miles, okay? Arrow here, left off the arrow. You'll come back into the corner where he is.
And that's the end.
This picks up your lap. Right, other than that, you're going to get wet. So it's one of those really.
Oh, mine just shut off.
Huh?
Mine just shut off.
How? What did you press last time? This one? Or was it? I can't remember how to use it. Oh. Yeah, you just press top when it's recording now.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh dear God. Oh wow. Well, we're kind of used to this stuff. Well, I am used to roosting. Wow, it's a 3 mile loop, boys. First time round. Might leave this one raw, and then we'll cut into the fun stuff. So we'll see what kind of a track it is. So after this one lap, I'll do a proper video. Oh dear God. There's a lot of bikes, boys. I mean, there's no more rain expected for the day. So let's just hope it doesn't get anybody else. Oh, roost zone, roost zone. Sorry, buddy. Oh. Rob's racing this tomorrow. Mental. There he is. Don't get away from me, Rob. This place is nuts. Although we all, oh my God. Rob's roosting me all the way from over there. Well, it's gonna hurt the arm today, isn't it? Nice 360 there, Robert. Still haven't changed my tyre. Probably, well, I've got one in the van though. Woo. Oh my God, racing this will be a nightmare. I do have a new front tyre on there. Although that makes a difference. Hey, good luck with the race tomorrow. Mate, I struggled on that hill that came around the corner. It goes up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just came out like out of the blue.
Had to zigzag it. Oh, did I have big blob on there?
Mine turned off straight away again.
Huh?
Turned off straight away.
Why does it do that then?
Yeah, it's still on its own.
We'll have to go back. See, it's on now. It's recording.
Yeah.
Might be a setting or something. Oh, I'm cramping up already. Why am I such a pussy?
Slow, I'm still running the bike in.
Huh?
Still running it in.
Oh yeah, new piston. Sorry if you get covered in mud, boys. I'll try my best to keep it clean, but I can't promise anything. Woo. Rob is so much better. It's like, dude, here's the gear. Ooh, the gear choice. Come on, buddy, roost me. Get me. The roosting is ridiculous. Imagine a 2-hour race in this. Not fun. It's so wet. There's like no traction whatsoever. It's still recording. It's gone off again. I will sort out when we get back.
This will get way better in about an hour.
I was thinking if it doesn't rain anymore, I'll keep going. Got 3 miles. Oh no, wait. Okay.
So usually I do this just on the Sunday blind. Go do all this not knowing where it is in a race condition.
How did that go?
Sweet drift, bro.
Sweet drift.
Making back time. Drifted before.
Look at this. I need to dry my handlebar. Yeah, if it dries a bit, it'll be alright. Give me some of that. Right. My hands are now muddy. Let me just clean my thing. See to clean my thing with some grass. Whew. I was going to try and go the whole way around without crashing.
I think one lap is done it.
Mate, how long's the race? 2.5 hours of this. I don't envy you. Hang on, wait for all these to go. Oh mate, I can't believe I fucking crashed.
You didn't really crash, you ran out.
Yeah, but I could have done with the new tyre. Could have done with a new tyre. Huh?
Time with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like lunchtime.
I don't know where I'm going. I was getting nervous when Rob's behind. Jesus! Well, this is hard work, boys. Do you want a hand? Hang on. I'll get you now. You alright, buddy? Well, that guy was in a bush. Oh, the whoop section of death. Oh my god, you can just feel the rear just going. Woo-wee! Don't roost me. Oh, I'm in like roost territory here. Hey, buddy! Yes! on, little man. Come on, buddy. Even the kids are quick. Respect, bro. Oh, probably just because I'm slow. Either way. I'm used to riding mud and slick stuff, but not sure this counts. I'm just waiting for one of those puddles to be absolutely hell. I mean, this doesn't look very fun, does it? It's like third gear the whole way around in this stuff. Oh, my clutch finger's gone now. Bad line. Bad line. Chose the bad line. Hold on, let's clear you up. Oh, my hands are so cold. I think after a few times round it'll be alright. Huh? My fingers are freezing. That's a hard course.